Hey TechVibes fam, what's up? So you just got your hands on the ONN 4K Pro streaming box. A total no-brainer when it comes to budget streaming. But if you're anything like me, you probably pulled it out of the box, plugged it in, and then thought, okay, now what? Maybe the picture isn't quite as crisp as you imagined, or navigating the menus feels a little clunky, or you just know there's more juice to squeeze out of this little powerhouse. You know that feeling. You got a fantastic deal. And you want to unlock every single bit of performance and convenience it offers. It's totally frustrating when your tech isn't performing at its peak. Well, guess what? You're in the right place. Because today, I'm blowing the lid off 15 hidden settings and essential tips for your ONN 4K Pro that nobody talks about. These aren't just minor tweaks. These are absolute game changers that will transform your streaming experience. Seriously, you'll be asking yourself how you ever lived without them. I've got your back. We're going to dive deep, and by the end of this video, your ONN 4K Pro will be performing like a beast. So stick around and make sure you try these tips. If the first one doesn't quite hit the mark, just move on to the next. Keep going until your streaming box is perfectly dialed in. And when you find the tip that saves your day, do me a huge favor. Drop a comment below. Let me know which one worked for you. We're building a community here, and your input helps everyone. Let's get into it right now. First up, let's nail the initial setup and Google account login. This is crucial for a smooth start. When you first power on your ONN 4K Pro, you'll see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen prompts using your remote. You'll need to select your language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Then comes the important part, signing in with your Google account. You absolutely want to do this. It lets you download apps from the Google Play Store, access YouTube, Google Assistant, and all your personalized settings. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one during this step, or use an existing one. Just use the remote to type in your email and password. It can be a little slow, so be patient. This step is a no-brainer for unlocking all the smart features. Next, let's optimize your display settings for crystal clear 4K and HDR. Your ONN 4K Pro supports 4K. But it doesn't always automatically select the best resolution. Grab your remote. Press the Home button. It looks like a circle with a dot in the middle. Go to Settings. It's the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Display and Sound, then choose Resolution. Make sure it's set to 4K 60Hz or 4K 50Hz if your TV supports it. Avoid Auto if it's giving you issues. While you're in Display and Sound, also look for HDR settings or Dynamic Range settings. Ensure it's enabled if your TV supports HDR. This will make colors pop and bring out incredible detail. It's a game changer for picture quality. Okay, feature number 3 is all about getting the best audio. Let's set up digital audio output for surround sound. Your ONN 4K Pro can pass through advanced audio formats to your soundbar or receiver. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Display and Sound, then scroll down to Sound. Look for Digital Audio Out. Change this from PCM to pass-through or auto. This allows your sound system to decode formats like Dolby Digital or DTS, giving you that immersive surround sound experience. If your soundbar or receiver supports it, this will seriously elevate your audio. It makes a huge difference for movies and shows. Moving on to hidden gem number 4, installing your favorite streaming apps. The ONN 4K Pro comes with some apps pre-installed, but you'll want your personal favorites. To get them, you'll use the Google Play Store. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps row. Select the Google Play Store icon. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once in the Play Store, use the search function. It's usually a magnifying glass icon. Type in the name of your desired app, like Hulu, Disney Plus, or Max. Select the app, and then choose Install. It's super straightforward, and before you know it, you'll have all your streaming services ready to go. Make sure you have enough storage. Each app can take up several megabytes, so keep an eye on your storage space. Next up, feature number 5. Let's customize your home screen and app order. Your ONN 4K Pro's home screen can get cluttered quickly, but you can make it your own. To rearrange apps, highlight an app icon on the home screen. Press and hold the OK or Select button on your remote. A small menu will pop up. Select Move. Now, use the directional pad to move the app to your desired position. You can place your most used apps front and center. To remove an app from the home screen, select Remove from Favorites from that same menu. This makes navigating your apps much faster and less frustrating. It's a total time saver. Okay, for tip number 6, let's keep your ONN 4K Pro running super snappy by freeing up storage. Over time, apps cache data, and the system accumulates temporary files. This can slow things down. Press the Home button, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Now go through each app one by one. Select an app and choose Clear Cache. Do not choose Clear Data unless you want to log out of the app. Clearing the cache just removes temporary files. It won't delete your login information. Also, while you're in the Apps menu, if you see any apps you never use, select them and choose Uninstall. Every little bit of free space helps. You'll often find hundreds of megabytes of old cache data. This is a game changer for performance. Now for number 7, let's unlock developer options for a performance boost on the ONN 4K Pro. Go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then About. Find build number at the bottom. Rapidly press the select button on build number 7 times until you are a developer. In developer options, set window transition and animator scales to 0.5x or off. This significantly speeds up the visual transitions and animations, making your entire interface feel much faster. Feature number 8 is all about stable streaming. Let's ensure optimal network performance. Your Wi-Fi connection is crucial for streaming. Press the Home button, go to Settings. Select Network and Internet. Make sure your ONN 4K Pro is connected to your router's 5G Hz Wi-Fi band if possible. It's usually faster and less congested than 2.4 GHz. You might see 2 network names from your router, one ending in 5G or similar. If you're physically close to your router and it supports 5 GHz, this is a no-brainer. Even better, if your ONN 4K Pro is close to your router, consider using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is always more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. This will eliminate buffering and ensure smooth playback. Coming in at number 9, let's talk about your remote control features. Your ONN 4K Pro remote is pretty smart. It has a built-in microphone for Google Assistant. Press the Google Assistant button on your remote. It's usually the one with the colorful dots. Then speak your command. You can say things like, "Open Netflix," or "Find action movies," or even ask for the weather. You can also customize some of the buttons. Go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then Remotes and Accessories. Look for button remapping or customize buttons. You might be able to assign quick actions to certain buttons, making your remote even more powerful. It's all about convenience. And for tip number 10, here's how to set up parental controls for family-friendly viewing. If you have kids, you'll want to restrict certain content. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Apps, then Google Play Store. Inside the Play Store, go to Settings again. Look for Parental Controls, turn them on. You'll need to create a PIN. This PIN will be required to download apps above a certain rating or to purchase content. You can also restrict content ratings for movies and TV shows. This is super important for peace of mind and ensures your kids are only watching age-appropriate content. It's a must-have for families. Alright, tip number 11. Did you know you can expand your storage with a USB drive? The ONN 4K Pro has limited internal storage, which can fill up fast with apps. But it has a USB port. Grab a USB flash drive. Plug it into the USB port on your ONN 4K Pro. When prompted, select Format as Device Storage or Internal Storage. Be warned, this will erase everything on the USB drive, so back it up first. Once formatted, your ONN 4K Pro will treat the USB drive as part of its internal memory, allowing you to install many more apps. This is a game changer for heavy app users. And it's a super easy upgrade. You'll be able to download so many more apps. Number 12. Screencasting and mirroring from your phone or tablet. Your ONN 4K Pro has Google Chromecast built in, which means you can easily cast content from your phone or mirror your phone's screen. Make sure your phone and ONN 4K Pro are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open a compatible app on your phone, like YouTube or Netflix. Look for the cast icon. It looks like a TV screen with a Wi-Fi signal. Tap it. Select your ONN 4K Pro from the list, and your content will instantly appear on your TV. To mirror your entire screen, open the Google Home app on your phone. Select your ONN 4K Pro, then tap Cast My Screen. It's fantastic for sharing photos or giving presentations, so effortless. Here's tip number 13, setting up an automatic sleep timer. Ever fall asleep streaming and wake up to your TV still blasting away, wasting energy and potentially disturbing your sleep? Your ONN 4K Pro has a sleep timer feature. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then Power. Look for Sleep Timer. You can set it to turn off the device after 30, 60, 90 minutes, or whatever duration you choose. It's a simple feature, but it's great for saving power and ensuring you get uninterrupted sleep. Plus, it extends the life of your device. It's a win-win. Moving on to number 14, manually updating firmware and apps. Sometimes updates don't happen automatically, or you want to force them. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then About. Look for System Update. Select it to check for and install any available firmware updates. For individual app updates, go to the Google Play Store from your home screen, open the Play Store. Go to your profile icon in the top right, select Manage Apps and Games, then Updates, and choose Update All or Update Specific Apps. Keeping everything updated ensures you have the latest features and the best performance. It's a quick fix for common issues. And finally, for our bonus tip, number 15, adjusting power saving options. Beyond just the sleep timer, there are other ways to save energy. Press the Home button, go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then Power. Look for Low Power Mode or Standby Mode. You can choose between different power modes. Some prioritize quick wake-up times, while others prioritize energy savings. Experiment with these to find a balance that works for you. A lower power mode will save electricity, but might take an extra second or two to boot up. It's a thoughtful feature for an already budget-friendly device. Whew, that was a lot. But hopefully, your ONN 4K Pro is now living up to its full potential. These 15 hidden settings and essential tips can seriously elevate your streaming experience and make those frustrating moments a thing of the past. So now it's your turn. Did you try any of these tips? Which one was your favorite? Or did you find an even cooler ONN 4K Pro trick I missed? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more tech tips and tricks that actually make a difference, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching TechVibes fam. Stay tuned for more awesome tech. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.